Welcome to Live365 Support, where we help you with your broadcast journey. Today, we talk about ClockWheels as AutoDJ. One of the many features we provide our broadcasters is our AutoDJ. What is AutoDJ? Well, think of it like a smart shuffle mode. It keeps your station on 24 hours a day while going through your full library at random. But you might be thinking, I don't really want it to be random. Is there a way where I can fine-tune it? Well, luckily there is, and it's using ClockWheels. Now, if you don't know what ClockWheels are, I highly recommend checking out our knowledge base article about ClockWheels. It's one of our other features that helps our broadcasters out significantly. Now, if you do know what ClockWheels are, you know that you have the ability to pick and choose which categories and audio types play. And guess what? You can actually assign one of your ClockWheels to be your AutoDJ. So instead of it being random, it can follow a pattern all day. How do you do it? Well, let's go through it. If you can, please hop to your Live365 dashboard. Then turn your attention to the left-hand side of the navigational sidebar and click on Streaming. Once you do, turn your attention to the top of the page where it says AutoDJ and then select Track Mix. From here, you'll now have the option to change your AutoDJ from random to a ClockWheel. And then from there, you can now select the ClockWheel you want as your AutoDJ. For me, I'm going to choose 90s Today for mine. Once you select the ClockWheel, click on Save. You'll be notified on the top right-hand corner that it has been now saved. Now, there are some things you should keep in mind about your ClockWheel now that it's your AutoDJ, such as, do you have enough unique tracks in your categories that you're pulling from? If not, your AutoDJ could switch back to random. There's also a thing about audio types. If you by chance have different media types within a category, such as having a category with music and talk tracks, that can also make your AutoDJ go back to random. You always want to make sure that categories have a singular media type, such as all tracks being music, all tracks being talk, all tracks being IDs, and so on and so forth. With all that said, you now know how to make your AutoDJ into a ClockWheel. Have fun with it, and happy broadcasting!